Let's see how compatible you are. And here we go with the questions. Who made the first move? Next question. Who said I love you first?
Yeah. It's for
Who's more romantic?
I am Pepe Le Pew, your lover.
Who's more likely to talk their way out of a speeding ticket?
That's the sound of the police!
Who's better when it comes to directions? Who handles the groceries? Who snores louder? Who wakes up first? The crocodile. Very good. Who's more likely to start an argument? Who's clumsier? That was a quick answer, that one. Who's messier? Who's more stubborn?
Mine is no.
There's no questioning that one. No. Who's more organised? I know the answer to this. Yes, we all know that. All right, that was an easy one. Who's handier around the house? Who's needier when they're sick? Who's more likely to lose their keys, phone or wallet? Who gives a better massage? Oh yeah. Who has the crazier family? How about a round of applause for our compatible couple?